Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create Blake Debake on CapCut PC. So just going select your video you want to edit and go to filters, just select VW, just drag here, just for strength. So just going to export. To export, waiting for exporting. And then just going to import that's created. So just select the video that's created and go to the same video without filters and go to cutout and select out the cutout. Here we go. So this is Black Effect tutorial. You can try this. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.